In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Zoom on Windows, Mac. We'll walk through the official download process step by step so you can get set up quickly and safely without running into any of those confusing detours. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Zoom. This is the simplest way to land on the official site, and it helps you avoid lookalike pages. In the search results, click the official link for Zoom Home. Depending on your region, you may occasionally see zoom.us during the process. That's still Zoom's official domain, so you're in the right place. Once you're on the homepage, scroll all the way to the bottom. There's a lot on the site, but the link we want lives in the footer. Look for the download center and click it. This page contains the desktop client for video meetings along with other optional tools, but the desktop client is the standard app most people need. Now, it's time to choose the right download for your computer. On Windows, you'll usually see options like 64-bit, 32-bit, or ARM64. Most modern Windows 10 and Windows 11 PCs are 64-bit, so that's the common choice. If your device is older, you might need 32-bit. ARM64 is for newer ARM-based PCs. On a Mac, the site typically detects your system and provides the correct installer for Intel or Apple Silicon automatically, so you can simply click Download. When you click the download button, your browser may ask you to confirm or choose where to save. Go ahead and save the file, then wait for it to finish. After it completes, open your downloads folder. That's where your browser stores the installer by default, unless you've changed that setting. Double-click the installer file to open it. On Windows, that's usually an .exe file, and you may see a security prompt. Choose Yes to continue. On a Mac, the installer may be a PKG or inside a DMG. If you see a message that it was downloaded from the internet, click Open to proceed. From here, the installer will take over and set up Zoom on your computer automatically. Just allow it to run and watch for the progress bar to complete. When the installation finishes, Zoom will launch and you're ready to sign in or join a meeting. If anything didn't start, go back to your downloads folder and open the installer again, or check your internet connection and try to download once more. That's it. Search, go to the official site, find the download center, pick the correct installer, open it, and let it finish. You're all set.